Hi, I'm Jessie from Leather Honey, and today I'm going to show you how to clean and condition your leather car seats using Leather Honey's cleaner and conditioner. You've probably seen our products. They're bestsellers on Amazon, and we've been recommended by publications like Real Simple, Esquire, and Popular Mechanics. Our leather cleaner and conditioner work on all types and colors of leather products except suede, and it comes in a variety of sizes depending on your needs. Today, we'll be using our 8-ounce ready-to-use cleaner, but if you're someone who likes to stock up, we also have a 4-ounce concentrate that makes up to 32 ounces of leather cleaner. Let's get started. The first thing we'll want to do is a spot test. The Leather Honey cleaner works on all types of leather, but leather itself can vary widely, so you'll want to test any product in a discrete area. We recommend cleaning a small hidden spot and allowing it to dry. The leather cleaner should be applied to a lint-free cloth until it is moist enough to wipe down all of the leather. As you're wiping, the cleaner should lift dirt away effortlessly, so no more harsh scrubbing. What's great about all Leather Honey products is they're non-toxic, odorless, contain no animal products, no wax or silicone, and they're chemical-free. Leather Honey is family-owned and has been made in the USA using the same formula since 1968. The cleaner can be used on perforated and heated seats, but it's best to follow what's said in the manufacturer's instructions. It can also be used on vinyl, faux leather, leatherette, and the entire car interior, including plastic and rubber. And it cleans the most common stains, including blue jeans, sunblock, and body oil. We recommend getting to the stains as quickly as possible for the best results. One product does it all. I know, amazing, right? Now that the leather is clean and dry, we're going to get started using our Leather Honey leather conditioner. Just like we did with the cleaner, we'll first want to do a spot test. Apply product first to a lint-free cloth and not directly to the leather. If it's cold where you're working, it could help to warm the conditioner in the microwave, as it makes the conditioner easier to spread. Apply a quarter-size drop of leather conditioner to the cloth, then completely coat the leather in a thin, even layer of conditioner. You'll see it's called Leather Honey for a reason, as it's thicker than most products, which is why it works so much better. It actually penetrates into the leather and stays there, unlike other water-based products that sit on the surface of the leather and evaporate quickly. Once Leather Honey is absorbed into the leather, it creates a water-repellent barrier, which keeps the leather feeling soft and supple for 6 months or longer. Leather Honey is adding much-needed moisture to the leather, which may darken the shade of some colors during application. The original color typically returns in time. Allow it to dry for at least 2 hours, preferably overnight. In fact, the longer you can wait for it to absorb, the better the result, as it will give the product ample time to penetrate deep into the leather's pores, which is what it's designed to do. Conditioning your products with Leather Honey helps prevent sun damage and fading. The conditioner is also safe for perforated leather as well as heated seats, though again, we recommend following manufacturer instructions. It can be used on all types and colors of genuine leather. Once dry, gently buff the leather with a lint-free cloth if necessary to remove any excess conditioner. Apply additional coats as needed. Thanks for watching, and remember, leather is forever with Leather Honey.